cold. We made it out of an old tree house. Hey there, Freedom Zone.
Cars there, motherfucker!
It is currently the second day of February 2021, and we're on the third straight day of snowfall now. I haven't seen the weather this crazy in a long time. Made a little snowman out here last night. Let's see how he's doing. You good, bro? Bro? This is my new car.
There are cars there, motherfucker!
Get out of the way!
Although I haven't gotten to drive it very often. And well, now I really can't drive it anywhere. See how the animals are doing, I suppose. Hey there, ducks. There's their shelter. We made it out of an old tree house. You guys good? Yeah, they're doing good. Ooh. Ah. This right here, I guess, gives you a pretty good idea on how much is fallen. Yeah. Ooh, a sled. Let's see if I can use it. Whoa, look at that icicle. Alright. Here we go. Ooh. Nope, that's not gonna do anything. Alright, Freedom Zone. Stay safe, stay warm, and stay smart.
Cars there, motherfucker!